We get to watch Chaz eat tuna too. Cheese! Someone go shake the bag, see how fast he gets out. It's on top of the fridge.
He meowed.
Cheese!
This was so bad for you, cat.
Better not be suffocating.
It's probably dead now.
No, hush!
Give him mouth to mouth.
Go move like
Okay.
Oh, he's moving. A little bit.
Is he on his face? What the fuck is that? Move your hand.
Oh god, no.
He's gonna have like a bad bat. I want him to fall over.
It's alive!
Where's the tuna? Where's the tuna?
Evan's gonna make him scared of boxes for life.
Give me my fucking tuna, bitch!
Evan, my cousin says hi.
Who?
Chelsea.
What's up?
Cheese. Put Taz in a box.
Hey, Bobby. No. No.
Don't let your mom see that!
He's like, no, we're not going in!
And she eating the fucking tuna.
She's like, ah, bastard, now you know what I went through. Jeez.
Taz ain't even moving.
Probably dead. He's probably claustrophobic.
Let him out. He's too old for that.
I'll leave it open like that. Oh god!
Pick him out.
It's a box of the tail! Tail got sucked in.
His leg is like up here by his face.
Got it.
Put the tuna can right there.
He's like, I don't want that shit, I want out of this box.
Move it. Put the tuna under in there with him. Probably eating it. Yep.
Just leave it like that.
These legs are broken, they're like... Your legs broken?
You should reach in there and grab his tuna.
Get back in there! Give me your tuna. No, it's mine. Mine, bitch.
Comes out all stoned to get high off tuna. Have you seen Ace Ventura? It reminds me of this rhino part where he gets... Reminds me of Evan when he comes out naked out of the rhino's ass.
Almost there, cheese. Don't push it, no.
Why'd you say it like that? He's back in.
He's like, fuck this. I put a stick next to him.
I'll give him his tuna.
How far can you reach, Cheese? Cheese. Come on, turtleneck. No. Gotta do a flip for it. Okay, go ahead.
Evan!
He likes it.